This is EI, my boy from Charleston. You don't know how to do what?
Crack an egg.
He's afraid to crack the egg. We're gonna practice on 2 different surfaces. You need to get the feel, give it a good knock, but then you wanna bring it right to the bowl. Okay! I'm gonna get this shell out. I think you should go this way.
Gotcha.
Look
Okay.
at that! Oh, Houston, we have a problem. Once you get really good at it, you can crack an egg anywhere.
It's a good skill to
watch.
have.
Ooh,
It didn't crack.
it didn't crack. Ah! Serves me right.
Try
Let's
again.
start again. Okay, that was a big
Too hard.
stretch.
Too hard. I thought you said this was supposed to be easy.
Just need to practice. Whoa!
That was perfect.
Perfect! That was really good, right?
Yeah, that was the best one.
So this is going to be a different hand gesture, but you're going to get it. You did it in your first try. That's right. Look how well you're doing it.
I'm a professional.
And there's no shell in there. Stop getting salmonella all over the freaking kitchen. One more for good measure.
One more for good measure.
What does this teach you?
How to crack an egg.
Not only that.
Practice makes perfect.
There you go. It's not.
Bam! Look at me.
Look at you. You're regular.
Gordon Ramsay.
Gordon Ramsay. I love you.
Thanks for teaching me.